Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to do better intraday trading for better profits. So what are the important rules you should follow in doing a better intraday trading, okay? So in this video I'll be covering you how to be safe in intraday trading, why does stop loss hit, and how can you overcome your losses and a good trading setup, and also I'll be teaching you a little bit about a money management and risk free and risk management in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the knowledge about this and which will help you in intraday trading. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips, and a lot of things regarding intraday stock market trading like this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to trading, if you're having loss in stock market, if you are unable to make money constantly in the stock market, if you want to learn how to make money constantly in stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSA and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all the details in the description below of this video. I have given the link, my blogspot link. You can go inside it and check all the details there. Okay, here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after taking the course. So many of the traders got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly in stock market. You can watch all of these things with the proof here. Okay, so here you can see a lot of ledger proof. So these are the clients who got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly. You can watch all of these things with the proof here. And if you're interested to make money constantly like this in intraday stock market trading, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. I'll be teaching you everything how to make money constantly in stock market trading. And these are the feedback messages what I got from my client after taking the course. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join us, you can message me on the number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also if you join my course, these are the thing what you get advantage of and the benefits. So once you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique strategies where you require no indicators. Also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline which is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. Also, I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. So these are the details about my course. So if you're interested, you can join us now. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about how to get better profits in intraday trading. So as I said, I'll be covering all these points in the video, so let's go one by one. Okay, so to be safe in intraday trading, one has to follow the stop loss and trading rules. Okay, so if you guys want to be in a constant profitable side and also to be safe in intraday trading, you have to follow your trading setup mainly, and also never trade with stop loss. So you should always place a stop loss whenever you're trading, and also follow your trading rules. That is, if you're stick to a point, like if you're doing only one or two trades per day, just stick to that, don't over trade, and also follow your money management system, and don't take a risk which you can't take it. Okay, only take a minimum percentage of a risk on your capital. Okay, so don't take over risk and don't do over trade so that you lose all your money. Okay, SL, it's when we enter a wrong trade by a rush or when suddenly trends changes in the stock. So everyone were asking these questions, like whenever I enter, my stop loss got it. For example, if I enter a buy position, the stock will come down. If I enter a short position, the stock will go up. So why is it happening? So that is mainly because your strategy is wrong or you're entering to a wrong trade. Okay, so because you're not following a proper trend of the stock or the market. Okay, so SL, it's when you enter to a wrong trade, and many of the people do this. They enter by a rush. They just see a stock coming up and they just simply buy, and the stock, when they buy it, it comes down. So some of the people, they see stock is falling down and they short it, and suddenly the stock starts to come up. So this is because you're entering in a rush and you're not following any strategy. So that's the reason. So just follow the strategy. Whenever you follow the strategy, when your strategy says buy, then only buy it. When your strategy says, then only sell it, and keep proper target and the stop loss also. Okay, so you should always place the stop loss and target, both the things. Okay, so whenever stop loss hits, you don't have to be worried or don't have to be tends to make another trade and to recover in a one day. So when you go to take a revenge trade, then again you will lose the money. So don't ever do it in a tension or a pressure. So always be in a cool minded and be motivated whenever the stop loss hits. It's not the end of the trading day. You have a lot of trading days to come. So whenever the stop loss hit, make sure you be in a psychological control and end for the day when it is bad for you. Okay, so follow this simple rule. And next comes how to overcome the losses. Okay, so trade analysis helps to overcome your losses and also by using better trading setup. Okay, so whenever you do a trades, you just analyze your trade, like write down on what strategy based you bought a stock or sold a stock, and what made you get a profit, at what time you traded and at what stock, and what was the situation of the market at that time. Okay, just analyze it and then you will come to know. So write down everything, whichever profit trade you did, whatever the loss trade you did, so that you can overcome. Okay, at what time frame you used this strategy or anything it may be. So just write down in a book or a paper, so that you can do self finalization and come to know what is working and what is not working for you. And also you can use a better trading setup, I mean the better trading strategy, to make instant profit. So if you don't have a good strategy, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique strategies. It will help you to earn constantly in trading. Okay, I'll be teaching you a lot of things if you join my course to earn constantly. Okay, so next thing is, to be profitable in intra trading, you need to follow better money management and a good strategies. Okay, so as I said, you need to follow your money management, and also you need to know your risk reward ratio when you're trading. So always follow 1:2 minimum risk reward ratio. Okay, so for some people do 1 rupee stop loss and like 50 paisa target, or 2 rupees stop loss and 1 rupees target. So don't ever do that. So always keep 1:2, that is stop loss is 1 rupee and target is 2 rupees, or either do 1:1, which is safe. Okay, so and also you should have a good money management, and also don't put huge investment if you are a beginner. Okay, so start with a minimum of 5 to 10,000. Even that capital can make a decent profit per day. Okay, so if you join my course, I'll be teaching you with just 10,000 rupees you can earn almost 800 to 1000 rupees per day, as I said you. Okay, so these are little few tricks and tips what you need to follow to do a better intraday trading and to get a better profits, and also to avoid the losses. So always follow the rules, and whenever it's possible to trade, then only you trade. If you're not in a comfortable time, please don't trade. Okay, so if you can't trade 1 or 2 days in a week, that's fine, but don't trade it with a rush, or don't trade it with a hurry. Okay, so always follow the rules to trade. Okay, so if you just simply enter a trade, that's never gonna make you profit. So always trade with the proper mind, with the proper strategies. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This is a little tips what I felt like sharing with you guys. So if you like this video, do give a like for this video, and also if you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving a lot of educational videos like this. Okay, and also go inside my channel and watch all the videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things regarding stock market. You can watch all of these videos, and also see every day I upload how much profit have we made with the profit screenshot proof every single day. So you can watch how constantly we are making the profit, and if you want to earn like constantly like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.